Design your dream garden from over 80 organic and non-GMO plants and flowers. Yes, Seedsheet is a weed-blocking fabric embedded with seed pods. So if you're ever thinking about, you know, people who are living in places where they can't grow the food the way they want to, you can utilize these. You can send these as gifts to people.
That's
you
really
can
cool.
find, they are everything to me. So you open it, listen, open it up. Open it up. And you'll see.
It's like a whole sheet.
Yes, it's a whole giant sheet. They come in different sizes. They're available at Seedsheet.com.
And they can have you over for lunch.
Yes, they can have you over for lunch.
Oh, look,
and
yes.
Look. Do we see
So the
them?
little pods go in
yes.
the sheets.
They're here, and you can water the pods.
Wow.
You can grow food. So
that's
think
so
about
big.
this in a place where that is a food desert. These are magnificent, and they make great gifts for
Very
people.
smart. That's a
So,
good one.
yeah, this is your. Oh, and you're all going home with a voucher for a seed sheet of your choice. Yes.
Come on, that's so cool.